Hey everyone, today I want to cover the GT500 Owners Kit that comes with the purchase of every new GT500. These kits are similar to the ones that were issued for GT350s as well as Mach 1s. Now before I get into the kit itself, I want to cover some of the common questions and logistics regarding acquiring one of these kits. Now if you purchase a GT500 used, even from a dealer, Ford will not issue duplicates of these kits. So just keep that in mind. If the car is missing, you would have to track down the original owner to get your hands on the correct kit for your car. Now, when you go down to your Ford dealer to pick up your new GT500, these will not be included with the car when you go to pick it up. These are shipped directly from Ford Performance to the address of the original purchasing customer. When they come from Ford Performance, they come via FedEx in a plain white box. There are no Ford markings on the box. The only Ford items on it are the return address to Ford Performance, as well as there'll be a reference number on it for your VIN and chassis number. So if you purchased a new GT500 in 2022, these were a little late to go out this year, and you should probably give Ford Performance a call if it's been over a month and you have not gotten yours yet. That is what I did, and what I found out was that my dealer had not yet recorded the sale to Ford Performance. So in order for me to acquire my kit, I had to provide them a copy of the original bill of sale. I gave them a copy of my registration, as well as they needed a picture of the dash plaque to get the chassis number for the car itself. So if you haven't gotten your kit yet for your 2022 GT500, give the good people at Ford Performance a call. They are very helpful. They got this kit out to me very quickly once I gave them the information that they needed. And they were also very helpful for me when I was tracking my car when it was being built and shipped as well. So the good people at Ford Performance are extremely helpful over there. So let's get into the kit itself. All of these kits are exactly the same other than the VIN number and chassis number on some of the documents. So just keep that in mind. There's going to be a bunch of pictures inside these kits. The pictures are not specific to your car. They're just general kits that these are issued. So you have the nice Cobra logo on it. First thing you're going to get when you open it up, it's going to have a folder in it. This is going to have a couple items that are specific to your car. You're going to get a welcome letter from Ford Performance. Also going to offer a framed picture, digital rendering of your car. They've been doing those for a number of years for the 350s as well. Like I said, just some generic pictures. These are not specific to your car itself. You can join the Shelby team. And probably one of the most important aspects is going to be the certificate of authenticity from Ford Performance. So that all comes on the very top. You're going to get a really nice booklet that has a lot of information regarding your car. Talk about the development of the car. Lots of photos of all the aspects of the cars itself. So this is actually a really nice read. Lots and lots of information. All the different features and aspects of your car will be included in here. The transmission, the engine. So a really nice book if you want to learn a little bit more about the intricacies of the car. You're going to get a brochure for your respective year. Same brochure that you would get at the dealers. And at the bottom is where you get into some of the really cool specific stuff. Now everyone is going to come with a toolkit, and it's going to show what is included in the toolkit. These do come shrink wrapped. I opened mine up. These toolkits are perfect for the people that want to go to the track and you need to modify some of the aspects of your car that are track specific. Like if you want to take the splitter wickers on and off, the rain tray, if you have a base car, you want to take the gurney flap on and off, or you have a carbon fiber track pack, you want to adjust the wing. These tools are designed specifically for those aspects that you need. And one of the cool things about these kits is that the Cobra logo is laser etched onto every single tool in this kit. So you won't accidentally get them mixed up with any of your other tools, because every single piece has that Cobra logo on it. So this is really cool that Ford does this. If you actually do want to use one of these kits, you want to go to the track, all the parts you need for adjusting your car, the factory features of your car are there. So that's really cool that Ford does that. It's also going to come with a thumb drive. This has a bunch of videos on it that show some of the operational information of the car, as well as some of the development information. So that's pretty cool as well. And then it's also going to come with a little piece of paper that shows how to set up the supercharger lobe display for the car. So this is also why you have to give them your chassis numbers. You have your chassis number on this little plaque here. That gets set up on here. So you can have 2 supercharger lobes. This is a perfect display to set up on something like a work desk. Lobes will go into here. Will lock into place. You can put the plaque on the top, and this Cobra goes on the back as a display. So that is how it would sit if you want to put this on your desk. Nice little cool piece there. Now, my opinion regarding these kits is a lot of owners, original owners, feel that they keep these for themselves because they're the original purchasing customer. But like I said, you cannot get these as a duplicate. Ford will not issue secondary kits. So keep that in mind if you're going to purchase a used GT500. They did the same kit for all 3 years of production for the S550, GT500. Personally, I think that these kits belong with the car. I think that these help to preserve the value of the car, especially if you're looking to sell your car for top dollar. The certificate of authenticity and this plaque on this display here have information that are specific to your car. And these kits are pretty expensive. To buy them, a used kit on the internet, typically you're gonna find they're around $500 or so, and it obviously won't be matched to your car because some of this information will not have your VIN and chassis number on. So just keep that in mind. You're looking to purchase GT500 used, you should make sure that this kit is with the car. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.